So in this section, I'm going to help you guys understand your analytics. This is the most important part of your channel. It's like your body, okay? 95% of beginners who start off on YouTube do not look at their analytics. And it's not okay, okay? This can hurt your channel tremendously if you don't look at them. I know it may seem a little complex at first. I know it may seem just something that's not new to you, right? You're not really understanding it. But once I break it down for you in this section, you guys are gonna understand every little metric that you need to know, and it'll tell you exactly why a video is performing really well or underperforming, okay? So in this section, I'm gonna break down everything you need to know about your audience, about your overview, about your reach, right? About your revenue. You're gonna know all of these things in this section, and I'm gonna break it down for you on the screen. Now, I wanted to let you guys know that this is a vital understanding that you have to have about your analytics. Your analytics are like the human body, okay? Your heart, your major organs in your body are your analytics. Your heart, your brain, everything that's important in your body. If you don't pay attention to it, if you're just feeding yourself all this bad food and you're doing these things that's hurting your body, you can die, right? And that's essentially the same thing with your channel. If you're not paying attention to what kind of videos you're just putting on your channel, you're feeding your channel, you're uploading all these videos, you're doing these things, but you're not even looking at your analytics, so you don't know how your channel is performing. Your channel can potentially die if you don't pay attention to the things that go on with your analytics. So please, really take your time on this section. I would rewatch this as many times as possible to understand your analytics, because this is the most vital point for your YouTube channel to grow and be successful. Understanding these just 4 key things will literally help you guys expand your YouTube channels to the moon just from understanding these 4 metrics on the YouTube analytics.